Friends, welcome back. I am Dharmendra here. This is Creta 2020. Now I have fixed HID light, upper dipper, both in the same way. In the showroom system they have given normal yellow light. Now I have fixed HID light. I will show you how the HID light is functioning. This is the place, is the dark place. Now I am completely switching off that light. So now I am going to on that light. See, this is lower, upper. See the focus, lower, upper. The vision will be the very clear, crystal clear. This is HID. We have fixed it in this vehicle. HID bulbs. దీంట్లో మేము ఫోక్ లైట్ కూడా ఫిట్ చేసాము. దిస్ ఇస్ డిఆర్ఎల్ లైట్ ఫోక్ లైట్. నౌ ఐ విల్ షో హౌ ద ఇండికేటర్స్ విల్ ఫంక్షన్. దిస్ ఇస్ ద లెఫ్ట్ ఇండికేటర్, right indicator, this is the matrix indicator, and 4 indicators. We have fixed the backside DRL LED. This is matrix. While you indicate your vehicle, indicator will be function. Moving indicator, right, left, and brake. This is brake. Normal parking. This is parking. Front ABS bumper. We have fixed the front ABS bumper also in this. The same combination we have fixed the backside bumper also, rear bumper. The main advantage of in this bumper, 100% all the airbags will be open in this bumper. There won't be any problem in this. The main thing is, if when you can drive the vehicle, if anything touch to your vehicle, only the bumper will be damaged. Your vehicle is 100% safe. So you can save your time. The same fashion, there is a rear bumper also we have fixed. This is 100% ABS bumper. So it will protect your car. Your original parts won't be damaged in this. We have fixed the door visors also. And apart from that, see, this is footstep, illuminated LED footstep. And we have installed the seat covers also. Hi sir, how you feel?
The work is amazing. It's like the quality of the product is also very good. So I would surely recommend CarTrax.
Thank you sir. And this is the full seat covers. This is neck rest. This is memory foam neck rest, very soft. You won't get neck pain and all. At the same time we have fixed the steering cover. See the steering cover how it looks. It looks like a genuine steering. And we have completely fixed the full matting also. This is 100% waterproof, heat proof and dust proof matting. And the system given by the company, the touchscreen given by the company, we have installed simply one reverse camera. There won't be any reverse camera earlier. See now you see the reverse camera. For OE's original showroom touchscreen system, just we have installed socket to socket one reverse camera. So it is very easy to judge and you can see the entire back view. Thank you very much. I am Dharmendra here from CarTrax. Kindly subscribe my channel CarTrax, and we have completely done this accessory today. Thank you sir. Thank you very much.